The homeowner doesn't have any shingles that are same size or type. I do not have any in my truck. I'm going to be tarping this. This is leaking in here. A singular shingle replacement is not going to do anything on this. So I'm going to do probably a 10 by 10 foot section right here to at least stop this major leak. So I need to grab there it is. Hold that for me.
Mm-hmm.
Put that razor away. I don't have my tool belt on me, so. So I need to unseal the whole top because I need to put this underneath these shingles. Please hold that. Please hold that. Ooh! Alright, wow. Bring it back down. Just fucking unseal it.
Yeah, that one right there.
You want to go to that end, Sean?
Uh-huh.
And all I'm gonna have you do is keep unrolling it. More. Yeah, I got this. Just keep unrolling it more. Yep. And then I'm gonna have you just raise it to where laterally. Stop right there. Yep. All we're gonna do is just go. All right, that's where it needs to stay. This shit's hard to do without bending these. Alright, now pull it down. No. Pull it down.
Oh.
Pull that up. Yep. Pull it down. Hold up. This right here. Down more. Good. No, carry this.
Okay.
Alright, now I want you to just, you're just gonna walk. You're gonna lift these up so that you take the pressure off so it's straight out. Just lift it a little bit. Yep. And go straighten the shingle out. Yep. Alright, perfect. Keep that there for right this moment. You just have a drop of nail on there to straighten this shit out.
Step on that rock.
No. Stuck. Thank you, sir. Grab more couple of these. Oh no. Fucking bitch.